Hello fellow Swiss Army knife collectors. I just wanted to show you the latest repair knife that I fixed for Dave Arnold. He gave me this knife to work on for him. It had a worn out main blade. It's a very rare first shield aluminum knife. It had a three-face Wenger Delémont tang stamp. Here's the new blade from the donor knife. And it's definitely a huge improvement over what was on this one prior. Also, I fixed or replaced the broken corkscrew that was on there. That's what it looked like before. I think the last rung happened to have been broke off and they just sharpened it to match the original. So it's definitely a great looking knife now. Full working order. Had the original non-cap lifter screwdriver, so that makes it easy to date. Also reprofiled the small pin blade. It was pretty well jagged and been sharpened poorly, so I filed it and put a new edge on there. So I think he's going to be really happy with this knife once he gets it in the mail. Thanks for watching.